Good, Joe.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Man, it's hot, dude. You know what I'm saying?
How's bottling going over there?
Busy, man. Busy
Yeah?
as hell,
You want to get some water, Joey? You know what? Well, we started Water Cooler Wednesday, which is like our weekly video series.
Oh, wow.
We're doing like a cool video every week. I mean, it can be instructional, it could be funny, lifestyle, we don't know.
Are you gonna surprise me with something? Any new release? Like,
I think this week we might do a bloopers. Like when Adam and I are shooting video at his house or on location and he messes up when we're trying to release. Yeah?
yeah, why not?
Now, one of the things with Blooper.
Good? Hey man, how's it going?
Look at this big dent on there. Did I buy this? This is a very easy to use liquid wax.
They used to clean the tires on the truck, only the tires.
This tire's a little dirty.
Now, Eco Wheel Cleaner works great on mustaches like this.
Then you go ahead, hello Bailey, and hi Bales, go lay down Bales. Should I show a little sock? Yeah. Just to show off?
Show off a little ankle.
Dude, that's totally cool. What a do you guys hear that? Call me said I had cankles.
I didn't seal that side.
What? Now the new ceramic boost goes on like this. Oh, that's awesome, buddy. Betty, we're. Oh, really? That's awesome, bud. Thank you.
Should we put this in the old trailer?
Let's put it right here. But listen, bud, I need you to be quiet because guess what? I'm filming a video right now.
What?
Bailey, go lay down. Go lay down. Bailey, go lay down. No, not here. The back of these cars always has the most dirt. It's the way they're designed to catch dirt. Well, that's not true, but they're not designed to catch dirt, Joe. Don't let that be in the video. All the Corvette designers are watching this going, what the